Yo, what it is, good people. Yo, True in the house. True Hustler Movement. Welcome to the movement, baby. Yo, let me get some stuff out of here real quick. Tools everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Tools everywhere. Be doing things up in here like no other. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag, I do my own shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all do your own shit. Hey, more power to you. But hey, it's better to do your own shit sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Because you're going to take your time with your stuff. You going to make sure your stuff is done right. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you take your shit to shops and mugs, just don't treat your shit like it was theirs. So I choose to do my own shit. No worries. We make it happen. You know what I'm saying? Thanks to some of y'all out there with them YouTube videos, you know, y'all make it happen too. So here in a minute, we finna get started on changing out a shift linkage. All right, so the stock shift linkage on your hog is known to fail. Yeah, right here. The piece right there, it's known to fail. So it's good to go ahead and update this thing. Get you a good piece. Something nice, if you like. There it is right there, something nice. And change it out. So this is what we're working with, YouTube. This is what we're working with. Check it out. So we got the tools. We got a 1/2 inch, 7/16 adjustable wrench, and the new shifter linkage. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Amazon got some good parts, man. You know, you ain't always got to go with the expensive name brand shit. It's the same shit. All the shit is made in China. You know what I'm saying? All the shit made in China. They just putting a name on it, making you pay them extra ducats. So we're gonna go ahead and change this thing here in a minute. So, all right. So let's get started on this right now. So you're gonna need a 1/2 inch for the back bolt back here. 1/2 inch, all right? 1/2 inch. Let me rest that right there. Then you're gonna need the 7/16 for the front. So what we're gonna do is let that 7/16 sit up in there. Hold that nut right there. We're gonna bring it down. Let the primary case hold that, because I'm only working with one hand. See how I got that? Hey, innovation, people, innovation. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let the transfer case do the work. You know what I'm saying? Hold, we're gonna break this nut back here. Oh yeah. I know y'all like, damn, that shit came off easy. Nah, I loosened it earlier. You know what I'm saying? So I don't have to see me struggling with one damn hand. All right, let's get that loose. Boom. Got that nut off of there. Uh-oh, washing on the drop. That shit stuff always happens, you know what I'm saying? Don't worry about that. Get the wash off of there. All right. So that's what came off your nut. And 2 washers. 1 lock washer, 1 regular washer. Boom. So that's what we working with, folks. This is the piece right here. This thing right here fails, you know what I'm saying? It fails. So change it out. Get you one with a hind joint on there, like this. You know, something like that. Got that ball bearing in there, and it moves around with it, with the linkage. All right. So let's get to the back. Now the back is just 7/16. This whole thing come out. Yep. It's in the bracket, so just gonna screw it out. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. For y'all out there. Y'all know the hashtag once again. Hashtag, I do my own shit. Yeah. This is easy though. You know what I'm saying? Anybody can do this. Shit, your baby moms can do this shit. No problems. You know what I'm saying? Your 5-year-old child can do it. You stand there with them and show them like, hey, take that loose. Guess what? They gonna do it. Boom. Done dizzle. See that? Got the old stock linkage off. So, gonna lay that down right there. Now what we gonna do is, somebody guess what we gonna do. Somebody guess. Yup, you right. We're gonna line it up. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna line it up. Make sure it's the same length on both ends. All right, so what we're gonna do here, it's got a lock nut on it. This lock nut right here. Gonna loosen it up, screw this thing out. Boom, see that? Screwing it out. It's your lock nut. That'll just, once you got it set, you pull this nut down, boom, it locks it in place. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna line it up on both ends, get it to the stock length. Work this side, boom. That's all we got right here. Work this side. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing this one hand, baby. One hand. Boom, slide it over. Can I get it in one try? Did I do it in one try? Let's see. Ooh. All right. Boom, there it is. So, lined it up. It's on both sides, lined it up, you know what I'm saying? That's all you need, boom, that's it. Take it off. Lay that stock down there. Put that stock down there. But we ain't gonna tighten the lock nuts up just yet, you know what I'm saying? So, we ain't gonna tighten that up just yet. So what we got here? Got our bolts, got our nuts right here. Boom, end piece, boom, good. We got our cover. This cover is gonna go right there. It's gonna cover up that, you know what I'm saying? Make it look nice and pretty. Nice and pretty, see that? That's all it's gonna do, cover that up, make it look nice and pretty. Shaboom, you know? So, let me go up in here real quick. Grab me some washers. Let's see what we got in the toolbox, baby. Look at that. Black Diamond, she right, boy. She ready. Yeah, that's Black Diamond, y'all. Introduce you to her. Black Diamond. Yeah, she right. Let's go up in here. See what we got in the toolbox. I need some washers. It's always good to throw a lock washer on some nuts, you know what I'm saying? Get you a regular washer and some nuts. I never throw away shit. I keep shit all the time. So, I know I got some washers in here that'll fit that. That'll fit that bolt. Yup. A black one. I'm gonna use this on the back side anyway, so let me see what I know I got a lock washer up in here. Got so much junk. I need to clean out my damn toolbox. It always helps to be organized too, fellas. Be organized with your stuff. You know, sometimes we come in here and be like, man, I'm not trying to be organized in no toolbox. I know where everything's at already anyway. I ain't gotta worry about nothing. Got a box of washers there, but those too big. Yeah. We got over here. Uh-oh, I think I found what I need. Uh-oh, what's this over here? Shabam. Boom. We Gucci. I'll straighten that up later. But we Gucci. Back to Black Diamond. Now remember, I'm doing this with one hand now. The other hand got to hold the phone. So we can bring y'all in on this thing. You know, I ain't no mechanic and all. I mean, I used to do mechanics for the military, but you know, I had to give that shit up because they had us working too damn hard. I was like, yo, y'all working us too hard. Y'all tripping. All right. So let's start this thing. Let's start with the back. Now, this is going to be hard with one hand. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see. Y'all bear with me now. I gotta put these washers, put the washer on. All right. And I need the cover. I know y'all like, damn, let us see what you're doing, man. Look, I'm trying to make it work, baby. I'm trying to make it work. Look at that. So, got that washer on there. Got the bolt, the washer. And I'm going to throw the washer on the inside. Hold what you got. Hold what you got, pimpin'. Hold what you got. Let that rest right there. All right, boom. She in there like swim well. You know what I'm saying? Boom. All we gotta do is tighten that down. And we'll be good to go. All right, we tighten that down, we'll be good to go. So it's on there, as you can see with the cover. It's on there. Now we're gonna move to this side, to the front side. No worries. Move on to the front side. All right, all right. All right, so what we got here? All right, we got a bolt with the washer. Boom. Got a lock washer. It's a lock washer. Then we got the nut to finish it off. All right, so we're gonna put the bolt and the lock washer on the back through on the back side. All right, so pull that forward. Put that in there. Hey, don't forget your Loctite. Throw a little bit of that blue Loctite on now. Yeah, throw a little bit of that blue Loctite. Then we're gonna throw the linkage. Bring it back. Bring our linkage up. Slide it back a little bit more. That's all we gotta do. All right now. All right, we on now. Let me get it all the way through now. Boom. She in there like swim well. You know what I'm saying? Let's put the lock washer on that thing. All right. Now, need to get the nut, put it on the nut on there. Let y'all rest right there for a moment. I got this nut. Be sure not to cross thread this thing. All right. It's in now. Boom. So let's tighten that down. So up front, we should have 7/16. Tighten it up. And our back is also 7/16. Let's tighten that in now. Hey, I do like, I don't want to strangle it, you know, I'll tighten it just enough, you know what I mean? All right. We're gonna move to the back side. Do the same thing. On the back side, we good. We just gotta tighten that thing up. Well, tighten that on down, baby. It's okay if it moves. We good on that. Boom. Tight. She good. Look at that. Goes with the lines of the engine. You know what I'm saying? That's why I got it. Look nice, right? So now we got that all good. Now we can go ahead and lock it in. Lock it in with the lock nut. Remember that? Yeah, we ain't forgot about that. We gotta lock it in now. Lock it in on both sides. Boom. Done. So, 1/2 inch. Grab. This is where our handy dandy adjustable wrench comes into play. I'm gonna hold that thing right there. Be careful not to scratch it. Just hold it right there. Just keep it from turning, you know what I'm saying? Keep it from turning when we tighten it up. So just got it on there like that. Keep it from turning. So let's see if we can get this to work. Grab that 1/2 inch. Lock that nut down. Okay. Put a little bit on there. Go to the front side. Get y'all to stand up here. Okay. Alrighty. Let's tighten this other side. Locked in. Look pretty good. Boy, true, you done outdid yourself, boy. But hey, that's all to it, folks. That is all to it. Everything shit like it's supposed to. Damn. Cool. Nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if you want to change out your shift linkage, it's as easy as that, man. If I could do it, you could do it. It's too easy. Remember the hashtag. I do my own shit. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hey, I like to do a lot of things, you know, so I'm going to try to bring different things to the channel. You know, different stuff. So just be on the lookout. Just subscribe, like. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like. You know, we'll try to fix it on the next video. But yeah, that's it, baby. Y'all see how easy it was. It was hella easy, you know. So anybody could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we see you guys again on the next video. Me and Black Diamond. Yeah, we up out of here, you know what I'm saying? So y'all take care. Doses.